Rubbish. Get off. Why is that man playing that
Christmas
piano?
over.
Get off, will you?
Let's have the new year.
It's crap.
All the feasting done, presents home, cans of beer drunk. What's on YouTube? What's the end of year roundups? Done mine. Oh well, I'm bored. Let's go on the plot and let's see what one's doing for next year. Catch you later.
Before I do anything, this poly is a tip. Let's get it sided up and set my stall out. Too much plastic. Got to collect it and take it down to the recycling centre, and I've got to do it now. This is bed 1. First part of last year grew my winter brassicas in this bed, and it's now leeks. These leeks will be here till March. A Mike Hurdy style French bean should be fine. Plenty of time to buy those wholesale beans he mentions. These will need winter pruning. This corner needs filling in with a compost bin. Then from that bin I can finish the path to connect up with that path. And to connect that path I need to construct another raised bed, and here's the materials to do it. With enough wood chip obtained to do this strip in between bed 12 and the bins. This is the final drawing I made some 4 years ago after a number of trial goes in planning my position of the raised beds. The drawing prior to this had the beds running east to west, which I discovered on the model did not give me optimum light. As a general rule, beds should really run north to south. The drawing was marked up with the current bed numbers and the 2018 crops, which could then be reassigned to the 2019 crops using rotation planting. Further characteristic of my plot is it slopes in the south down to the north. If it sloped north down to south, I would not have levelled the beds. Curiosity took the better of me regarding my reduction to the boundary hedge and the effect its reduction has had on available light. And as a bit of light entertainment, oh dear, excuse the pun, I have temporarily added a boundary hedge and the tree in the south-east corner just to see what its effect is. SketchUp has a useful gizmo. You can locate your building by GPS, orientate your drawing to the compass points, click on the button shadows, tell it what time of day, which month of the year, and hey presto, it gives you a demonstration. I have mentioned this before, that SketchUp is easy to learn and it's free, and it's a useful piece of software. Hope this demonstrates this is only one factor of many that have to be considered when opting for a raised bed system: size, material used, access, cost, besides what you grow. It is some time since I constructed a raised bed on my allotment. At least one is required in the near future. When I construct it, I can give clarity to how I build mine. Not a how-to, but the factors to consider. Everybody's circumstances are different, together with skills, availability, agility and means. Until the next time, take care and bye.